Are you looking for window coverings that provide the perfect balance of natural light, privacy, and style? I'm Lana from Three Birds Renovations, and I'm going to show you how you can achieve it all with Luxaflex Pirouette Shadings. They're not just pretty to look at. These window coverings are seriously smart. Pirouette shadings give you control over the amount of light you let in. The fabric veins float on a sheer backing, which means you can go from privacy to letting in a soft diffused glow, just like this. If you want to make your room cozy but still enjoy a view, it's so easy. Just adjust the window coverings like this and the view outside stays sharp, while the light inside creates this beautiful warm glow. And because we're all about style meets function, they also protect your furniture from fading. They filter out those harsh UV rays so you can keep your home looking fab without worrying about sun damage. So whether you're letting the light in, creating the perfect movie night vibe, or just wanting some privacy, these Luxaflex Pirouette shadings have got you covered. They're all about luxury, light control, and turning your home into that perfect sanctuary. Jump online or head into your local Luxaflex showroom to find out more.